How to buy Ripple on IQ option app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ripple in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you go to this add symbol right here and choose crypto right here, and then search for Ripple. Here is it. If you didn't find it here, you can search for Ripple in the search bar here, and after that click on it, and now choose the quantity that you want to buy, like 1000 or 1500 or whatever you want. Then click buy right here and everything will be done. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.